Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Passwords section. Over here. Now tap on My Passwords and click on the one that you wish to edit. In my case, this one. Now select Edit button at the top right corner and change wherever you wish to. When you finished, just click on Done at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!